To change notification sound for active or pause status alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Next, scroll down the screen. Under other section, tap active or pause status. While the alert for active or pause status notification is set to alert, tap sound. And then select the desired sound you like to use. Tap the back button. By doing this, your phone will play the selected sound when sound notification feature is on and it detects an active or pause status, such as when you are pausing or resuming live transcribe, or when you are enabling or disabling sound notification feature. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.